For over 20 years, RCT Endodontics has been providing painless root canal therapies. We promise to provide the safest environment to diagnose and treat the root of your dental pain. Our team of specialists are leaders in the field of endodontics and offer a wide range of treatments, including root canal therapies, retreatments, cracked tooth management, and dental trauma. By combining state-of-the-art 3D imaging dental technology with our years of skill and experience, we are able to deliver consistently excellent results in a short amount of time. With 5 locations throughout Maryland and DC, extended hours and Saturday appointments, we are here for you. We believe in extending the same kind of empathy and service to our patients that we would give to our own families. Give us a call today or visit us on the web to learn more and schedule an appointment. Life's too short. Don't live with dental pain.